Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. The major is right here. So we just took a buy call on boom 1000 from this level right here, this level right there. And I'm not really certain with this market, this boom 1000 market, because it looks like a bearish market. It's a bullish market though, but I think market might want to come down. Boom 1000 might want to come down a bit before the next move. All right, let's check the weekly time frame. Okay, so it's strong bullish on the weekly time frame, but I'm not sure it's ready to move, but I've given the call already, so it's too late. We're just hoping it's hit our targets today. Yeah, so my reason for this trade, I'll quickly do that. My reason for this trade, if you're on my channel, you will learn so much from my channel. I keep doing this like every other day. So as usual, you move to the daily time frame. When you move to your daily time frame, you want to understand where the market is coming from and where it's going to. Right here, you can see we are in an uptrend. The market broke this level here on the daily time frame. This is a strong zone right there on the daily. Market just broke the zone. Then to this point, then a pullback. What is happening now is actually a pullback, because you see when the market is going in its actual direction, it gives you start printing strong candlesticks like what you see here. All right, so once it starts showing long candlesticks like this, that shows that this is the actual direction. Okay, so and once it breaks a resistance, you need to wait for a pullback to look for an entry. So right now you can see we had this breakout, which is this structure right there, then a pullback. Well, we are a bit confused with where the pullback will stop and start reversing back to our direction. I'm suspecting this level, which is why I gave the call. This level here, you can never be 100% certain its probability. I'm suspecting this level because that's a key level, a fresh zone at that. Okay, and we go back, you see that market actually respected that zone before. You can see this one, this reversal that happened, and this one as well. So that shows market just dropped back to a key level. So we've gotten like 3 reasons why we are taking this trade, right? So the next thing we want to do will be going back to lower time frame, going down to the lower time frame. So you have to do top-down analysis to have the actual market direction to understand what the market is doing. So this is where the market is going. Remember I said you need to know where it's coming and where it's going to. Now this is where it's actually going to. Okay, this is where it's actually going to. Back to that level. So now we know we'll be buying till market gets to that point. Okay, so now we switch down to 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, you can see market drop into our key level. For you to know that it might reverse, you need to start seeing some rejection on that level. You can see this rejection that happened a few minutes ago, like a few hours ago. You can see that rejection there from that key zone. So this rejection shows that maybe price will respect this level this time around. Okay, and most times when we have this kind of candlestick printed on the key level, market reverses. Let's see if you have something like that before. Due to time, I wouldn't like to go through that. So whenever you see something like this, it shows that maybe market will start reversing to the other direction. Okay, so I saw this candlestick, I knew that it will be buying, and then the second candlestick started pushing up to this level before the rejection. Now on the lower time frame, very lower time frame, and even on the 4 hours time frame, if you do your market structure, you can see that we have the bullish market structure: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and this is the next high. After that will be a higher low, so which is what we have in here. So which means if market comes below this level, maybe if it comes below this level, the market might start selling. But since it did not come below this level, this previous higher low, it started bouncing off that level. That shows that maybe it will be buying, right? So we are done with the market structure now. So we have so many reasons we are taking this trade. Remember, I keep saying this, you must have more than 2 reasons why you're taking a particular trade. That makes it a high probability trade setup. So we go down to the 1 hour time frame. Right now we're looking for an entry because we've done everything on the lower time frame. Now we're looking for an entry on the lower time frame. Sorry, we've done everything on the higher time frame. We're looking for an entry now on the lower time frame. Okay, remember on the daily, we tried to understand where the market was coming from and where it's going to. All right, and we identify key level. Okay, and we see the break of structure, which is this one here. Market took out this high right there, and we pull back. So we've gotten like 4 to 5 reasons already. And the 4 hours is the market structure. So we've gotten like 4 to 5 reasons why we should be buying this trade. Okay, now we need to go down again on the 1 hour time frame. We've gotten a very clean breakout change of character. Okay, you can see that on the 1 hour time frame. Even on the more lower time frame, like the 15 minutes time frame, it's obvious that there's a break of this change of character. You can see this structure right there. Market came, right, gave us this high, pull back, and broke that structure. So this is a change of character right there. That breakout here, this is a change of character. So we were waiting for market to drop back to the nearest demand. Then the rejection started buying. So that's the reason I gave the call. And even on the 15 minutes time frame, it's very obvious. It's still spiking. That means market is ready to move. That's what it means. Person will be smashing our first target. All right. So as easy as that. I've given another call on the step index. Wow. I just gave the call. If you check the description box, join the free Telegram channel. I've given this call to the free guys as well. You can see we are soaked in good profits right now. We're soaked in profits right now. So that's how to do the stuff. This one, pretty the same thing. We're just knowing where the market's at first. And you can see we had a lot of rejection here on the daily time frame. We had 1, 2, 3, about 4 or 5 rejections, which shows that sellers are getting tired of the buyers are tired of the bullish rally. So they started pulling out their investment. That's what it means, those shadows there. So now sellers are in charge, and you can see how yesterday candlestick closed. That shows that the pressure is going downward. All right, so you just need to look for an entry, look for a key level. Once market start bouncing off a key level, you start looking for your entry. You take your trade, as simple as that. So if you want to learn how to do this stuff, because I don't really have enough time to explain everything here, but if you want to learn how to do this stuff, check the description box to join the free Telegram channel, and also chat me up to join the academy. This special discount offer is running at the moment. So if you join now, you'll be lucky to benefit from the discount that is running right now. Okay. Then signals, if you want to looking for a place you can be getting daily signals to grow your account, I offer signals as well, high probability signals. So make sure you join the free Telegram channel to benefit from the free signals as well. And also smash the like button, subscribe, and share this video with friends. That'll be all for now, guys. Bye bye.